Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your local setting, your language, your time zone. So for that you need to click on this down arrow next to your name. When you log into your Salesforce org, you'll see your name appearing on top right side and you just need to click on the down arrow. This is Salesforce Classic view. I'm going to cover separate session on lightning mode as well. So in classic, you can see your name and down arrow. Next to that, if you click, you will get option my profile and my settings. So click on my settings. Here you can see personal. If you click on personal information, you can see your first name, last name. If you want to make any changes, if you want to update your address, if you want to update your company information, you can do that over here. The next option you will get change password, and the third option you will see language and time zone. So in language and time zone, you can change your language, local setting, and time zone. So as of now, you can see my current time zone is showing IST. If I want to make changes to GMT, then I need to search for GMT. So here it is GMT, and I can change my local from English India to English UK. I'll keep language as it is. So why this local and time zone is important? This will be important when you are creating any appointment, when you're creating any record, it will follow GMT time zone. Or if there is any date field, then it will follow your local setting, which is English United Kingdom. So date format will be DDMMYY. Similarly, language, you can see it is currently English. I'll save this. So your user level local may be different and your company level local may be different. For example, if your company level local, your head office is in USA, but you are working from France, so you can change your language and you can select French, and you can click on save. Here you can see all these tab label are changed automatically. I don't understand French, so I'm not able to make any comment whether these are correct, wrong, if there is an issue. But you can see it's are updated based on the language you are selecting. So here I think you can select multiple language from this drop down. I think it supports Chinese, Japanese, and other language. So I'll change back to the English. So now it is back to English. So this is how you can change your time zone, local setting, and language setting. Now next option is grant account login access. So when it is useful, if you raise any case with Salesforce and if you want Salesforce support team to look at your account, then you can provide that access. So here I have already given that access for 365 days or for 1 year, but you can always change based on the requirement. So if you have open any case and if you get any mail from Salesforce that please provide us access, then you can go to grant account login access and you can select whether you want to give that access for 1 day, 3 days, 1 week. It's all depend upon your case. So as of now, we'll keep for 1 year and we'll save. Similarly, if you want to give access to your company administrator to resolve any case or to look at any particular issue, then you can give that access to your company administrator. So this is useful because if you provide that access, then system administrator can log into your account without using your actual credential. They can go to user record and from there they will get option to log in using your ID. So we'll keep as of now no access. Then in personal section you will see my groups. As of now you have created any personal group to share your records. If you want to reset your security token, you can uh, reset your security token. If you want to see your login history, you can see your login history. If you want to see your approver settings, so who is your manager, if you submit any record, then to whom it will go, or if you are an approver, then when you will get those record. So this setting you can do it at user level. In advanced user setting, if you have a permission, then you can update other details. Currently I'm a system administrator, so I can update my details, but if you are an end user and if you don't have administrator permissions, then you may not get this option to update those advanced user setting. Similarly, you can change your home tab. You can tab setting. So here you will get option under display and layout. So here you can see my default app is sales, and you can see selected tabs. So tab which are appearing on this top line, you can see in the same sequence it is coming: home, chatter, campaign, leads, account, and so on. If you want to change that sequence, you can change using this option. Then customize page. So at administrator level, if you have set up any home page, but at end user level, if you want a different page, if you want to change the component on your home tab, then you can always customize your home page. So in that, you can add dashboard which you would like to see. So this is a classic view, friends. For lightning, as I mentioned, I'm going to create a separate video. Similarly, you can log in with your social account. If you want to use your social account to view accounts and contact, want to see Twitter information, Facebook information about your accounts and contacts, so you can create those social accounts and contact configuration. Then next you can see email. You can see your email setting, what should be named display, what should be the email ID, whether it should mark BCC, what will be the signature if you are sending that email from Salesforce. So those setting you can configure here. You can select the template or you can create template for yourself. Similarly, you can see your chatter settings. So I'll check this checkbox, automatically follow records that I've created. Email notification. So whenever you want to get email notification, it may be related to chatter, it may be related to your group, chatter group. Calendar and reminders. If you want to share your calendar with someone, then you can use this option: calendar sharing, active reminders. Desktop add-ons. If you are using Salesforce for Outlook or offline version, then you can configure this desktop add-ons. And last option is import. So if you want to import any data in Salesforce, if you want to import your lead, account, contact, then you can use this import wizard. But import wizard not support all standard object. There is some limitation, and I'm going to cover that in a separate session. So this is how you can change your personal setting. You can change your local, you can change your time zone, you can change your language, you can change your home page layout, you can change your email setting, you can change your chatter, you can import data in Salesforce using import wizard. So that's it for today's video on how to change your local setting. Thanks for watching this video.